say I'm earning $15 per trade, $15 per trade, and I'm able to do 20 times 15 times 20. I'm earning $300 a day. If I'm in Ghana, $300 right now is 11.6. I'm earning 3,480 Ghana cedis. Yeah, hello there. So welcome you all to my channel. I'm Crypto Lord, and you can call me Arbitrage Lord. So today, because we just launched August days today, so I'm doing everything clear for you to see everything clear. So I'm not hiding anything. So I'm using BingX and XT to do my arbitrage today. Yeah, and I'm using ALU USDT to do it. Yeah. So before I start today's episode, on the 30th of this month, we are hosting August arbitrage class. Yeah, so if you want to buy your ticket, it's just $15, 150 Ghana cedis. Yeah, and the link is in my bio. Yeah, it's I think 25,000 naira or 22,000 naira. Yeah, so the link is in my bio as well. If you want to if you want to buy it. Yeah. So I've been doing this arbitrage. It's 12 o'clock in the midnight. It's Monday, and I've been doing this arbitrage, and I decided to dash you because you have been following me a lot. I decided to dash you this thing. Before I start today's episode, I want to tell you one thing. Arbitrage is very easy, but it entails a lot, and you need to learn a lot. People always depend on the black market. They think that the black market is only arbitrage. The black markets are for the risk takers because you can easily make money or you can easily lose money. That's the black market. But when you spot opportunities on the regulated platforms like this, you can trade as many as you want. You can trade as many as you want. Yeah. So this trade, if you spot this trade, the profit margin is very small when you invest small capital. But when you invest high capital, you see that the profit margin is high. Yeah. So let me go back and let's start everything. So I'm using XT and XT and BingX to do it. Yeah, so I'm using ALU for you to see. So ALU here is 609, and let me come here and check ALU here. ALU here currently is 061, but it was 615. Yeah, it was 615. So you wait small. The reason why we call it arbitrage is that you just have to spot the opportunity. You see that here, comparing to here is stuck, and on the bank S it goes more. It can go to 6.09, and so you have to know when to buy it and when to sell it. You have to know it. Don't say that, oh nah, like it's not going, but at times you buy it and you will not be selling it at the right time. Yeah. So when you come to your sell, don't put here on the limit. Put here on the market order. So it means that it will buy with the market order at fast rate. Because when you put it at the limit order and it's here and the markets go to 60, it will not be buying. So you just have to enter the market straight. So we are targeting. So let's do this. So ALU is 609, but you can see here that it goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down, and stuff. Yeah. So let's wait. So I'm buying. I'm about to trade. Yeah. So I'm using it. I've already told that if you use small money, you'll not see the inputs. So if I'm using $1,000 to do it, it's $1,000 to do this. I'm getting one says for 308. So you have to wait for good entry. Good entry. So right now it says 2. So when you go to says 5 or says 1.5, we can enter the trade. Says 1.2. So let's enter says 1.2 and see. Says 1.2 and see. Says 1.2. Let's enter says 1.2. Says 1.2. Market order. So I'm selling one says for 203.61. So 0.61. So let me see the money I'll be earning here. One says, let me see, 164, 203, 0.61. I'm earning 1.64 as profit. 1.64 as profit. No. So you have to wait. So have you seen? Like, if you're using small money to do this thing, you will not see any profit, because like this one too, the fee is 0.5. So imagine if you deduct 0.5 from this, you are earning $1.1 as profit. You see that, oh no, it's not good profit, it's not this thing, it's not that. Yeah, because it's not highly volatile. It's that thing. It's not that. But when it gets good entry, because here it moves. Here you can see that over here when I come to the sell, so when I come to the buy, a 0.00609. You see, yeah. And here the movement is very slow comparing to here. Here the movement is way going. You see that thing? Yeah. So me, I did some at 615. You see. So if I'm doing it 611, I'll be earning 1.64. 1.64 as your profit. You deduct the fee from 8, you're taking home 1.1 as your profit on $1,000 account. So these things, if you spot opportunity like this, you say like, oh nah, this one there is not profitable, bro. Arbitrage, you will not be losing your money. Just consider, and any small profit that you see, just make good use of it. So if you're getting $2 on, let's say 1,000 accounts, 1,000 is yours, so and you're earning $2 on it, $2 times 10 times is $20. If you're able to do 50 times, you're going. And this one is unlimited, because this one is regulated legally. This one is not like a black market that has limits. This one is unlimited. That is why I love using unlimited trades. I normally use the regulated platforms, because here you can trade as much as you want, but the profit margin is way small. That's it. The profit margin is way small. And when you are buying it, it should be in a limit order. When you're selling it, it should be in the market order for you to do everything. Yeah, simple and fast like that. Yeah. So before you do everything, just check the address and see if the address are the same. Is the same. The address fee is cool. You do it. Yeah. And opportunities comes, but because of your capital, that is why you don't see it to be opportunity. But when you're investing high money, you see that like there's opportunity. You see, there's opportunity. But when you don't have the capital, you think that there's no opportunity. Just like something like this thing, you see it, you spot it. Me, I can use 10,000 to trade with it. Yeah. So if I'm using 10,000 to trade to trade this thing, 10,000 to trade this thing, I'm getting this 164. One six four 203 6.12. So my profit was $16.42. $16.42. You see, you will spot the opportunity, but because you don't have the capital, you think that, oh, it's no opportunity. So 16 times. So if I deduct the 0.5 from 8, let's say I'm earning $15 per trade. $15 per trade, and I'm able to do 20 times. 15 times 20, I'm earning $300 a day. If I'm in Ghana, $300 right now is 11.6. I'm earning 3,480 Ghana cedis every day on a $10,000 account. Because people don't have the $10,000 account, they think there's no opportunity. So I've sold the boat to people, and they'll be like, oh bro, like the profit margin is small because your capital is small. That is why you can't trade with it. The boat is raw. The boat give you everything detail, where to buy it and where to sell it. You just have to compare the address. The address is the same. The fee is favorable. You do it. If you spot and the opportunity is way lower, you just have to invest a lot in order to achieve more money. Because when I invested 10,000 on this low like profit margin, I'm earning 16.42 on my 10,000, and the 10,000 is still yours. The $10,000 is still yours. You see that then, and you'll be earning additional $16.42 to 8. And if you repeat this 20 times, you are earning $300. You see that thing? Yeah. So at times we have to know that opportunities comes, but it doesn't comes huge. So when you spot opportunity, just make good use of it. Yeah. So if you join my class on the 30th of this month, I will show you how to do exchange to exchange arbitrage, same exchange arbitrage, triangular arbitrage, and the bonus is the black market trade. You see, yeah, I'll show you everything. Yeah, and if you need the boat is just $50 and you get the boat. But if you join the class, the boat is $40 for you. Yeah, then you get it, spot it, where to buy it, where to sell it, and you make good use of it. Yeah, and we also have some opportunities that will come, and even if you have small amount of money, you can still do it and get $2, $3, $5 on it and repeat it as well. Yeah, so this is how it is. So thank you for watching me, and I'm Crypto Lord, and I'm out. I use BingX and XT to do this. Yeah, and I'm doing it around 12 a.m. Monday, and I don't think I can post it within this, but if I post, I'll post it at the afternoon or later evening. But if you get it and you still go and search and there's the opportunity, you can still use it and make cool cash for yourself. I'm Crypto Lord, and I'm out.